Yo, what's up guys? So today we will just use 3 products, and these are actually for budget friendly and also for acne prone skin makeup tutorial. So I'm going to use Dazzle Me Acne Correct Cover and Correct Skin Tint from Dazzle Me. So we'll use that, and we'll use 2 more products. So we'll just use 3 products, and you don't need to have a lot of makeup for you to be able to have a good makeup look. So this is makeup tutorial good for students or those who's starting out to do makeup. So I'm going to use Dazzle Me. So if you're actually acne prone, so if you are having acne prone skin, it has 12 hours makeup base, second skin friendly effect, and acne prone friendly. This is Dazzle Me. So I actually have 2 shades here with me. I have the 01 and the 02, but since this is a budget friendly makeup, I'm just going to use this Dazzle Me, and this is very affordable. So it's skin light tint. So let's do just a little. So that's how it looks like. So this is a skin like finish, and it's blendable. And since this is a acne prone, remember guys, makeup doesn't cause you acne. And if you're worried because you're an acne prone girly, you just need to use products that works for you. Look, I even have one. But since we're just going to use 3 products today, we'll stick to that. So it's just a skin tint for beginner. I could recommend for skin tint, that's Dazzle Me. You just need to blend it. Look, you can still see your skin. See that? So it just tone up your skin, so minimal the blemishes, the redness. So it's not full coverage glam, good for everyday use. We're using 3 makeup only for today. I'm going to use this Happy Pot from Squad Cosmetics. So this is a multi-purpose pot already, and for those looking for affordable makeup, you know, starting up on this makeup, you could use multi-purpose makeup like this, wherein you could use it on your lips. Look at that. You could use it on your cheeks and to your eyelids. So see that? So this is less than 100 pesos only from Squad Cosmetics, and I could recommend this for those student and looking for affordable makeup but with good quality. So look at the consistency there. So voila. So here already have for our lips, we have our blush, and we also have for our shadow. That's the purpose of multi-purpose pot. So if you're looking for affordable makeup and nagtitipid tayo, no, you could use Squad Cosmetics Happy Pot. I'm not saying that you need to buy it, but you know, this is worth if you are starting up for makeup. You don't need a lot of makeup, guys, for you to look good with your makeup. It's just, you know, what works for you and what you could afford. Okay, again, we'll just blend it. So see that natural blush and our lips. And lastly, okay, so since this is 3 products only, and I use Dazzle Me. I usually match it with a tone up powder because as an acne prone girly right now, my hormones is acting up. So I'm using Sassy Tomato Tone Up. So it's like powder. Just need to put it here like that. And you will apply it on your face. I'll just finish. This is how it looks like using 3 products. So it's just 3 products that we use. This one from Dazzle Me, and also from Happy Pot, and also we use toner powder. So these 3 products that we've used today. So those are the 3 products that we've used today. There. And this is our makeup. Simple, affordable, acne friendly, and beginner friendly as well. So we just use that makeup. So remember guys, you don't need to have a lot of makeup. You just need to use what works for you. And like what I have said, you don't need to buy everything that I've used today, but those works for me, and those are multi-use and affordable and also beginner friendly budget for me. And that's it. This is our final look using these 3 products from Dazzle Me, Squad Cosmetics, and Sassy Toner Powder. So look, just 3 products and we were able to look this simple, affordable, but gorgeous. Thank you so much. If you would like to try, I'll add the link, and just make sure I'm not forcing you to buy anything, but it's worth a try if you would like, since it's affordable, and I recommend this products, affordable, beginner friendly, and also applicable for acne prone skin. That's it. Bye for now.